the unseen power of time, how it shapes everything. Time has always been considered a dimension, something that simply exists in the background of life. But what if time is more than just a concept? What if time is an active force that powers everything in the universe? In The Greatest Source of Energy, Lamont Williams explores this groundbreaking theory, revealing how time might be a form of energy driving the forces of gravity and quantum mechanics. If this theory sparks your curiosity, the book The Greatest Source of Energy to explore more about time, energy, and the universe.